guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am so blown away because Toofaced Cosmetics sent me another surprise package. Fabulous lip injection lip glosses. We're gonna start with the foundation. Then I'm gonna do my blush and contour. So I'll use like the peachy blush, and then I'll use this sort of like neutral color for my contour, and also probably for like a little bit of eyeshadow. We start with the Born This Way, which you don't need a lot of, or at least I don't like to use a lot of. This is not professional application techniques, but you know, I just do things my way. I just do things my way. It's my way or the highway. Toofaced Cloud Crush headliner. I actually don't usually do here. I usually just do blush, and then I do my contour here. So this is my first time using the Cloud Crush as a contour. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. Going super hard on the contour. Okay, I don't mind that at all. So you can see there's a little shadow, just to make my chin look more sharp. So that's Cloud Crush blush accent. But for my actual blush, I'm gonna use the Peach Blur. I'm a peach blush girl. For the blushes, I kind of place them like a contour. Like, I play around with the placement sometimes, but generally speaking, like right under the cheekbone, and then you just want to really blur it. The reason I like to use my fingers a lot too, your own body heat, like the heat from your fingers and the heat from your skin with like liquid makeup can make it blend easier. Yeah, it's just the best. Sometimes you want a brush, like I'll use a brush at the end. Then I take my fluffy brush, and you always blend outward or in circles. Yeah, and that's super subtle. I would go back in and add a little more right on the like apples of the cheeks, like to be cute. This is like your little rosy cheeks placement. Cute. You do like your blush in the contour location first, blend it out, and then go back in to like the apples of the cheeks, the little cute like classic blush location there, to make it a little more on purpose, right? But that's only if you want to be cute. You don't have to be cute. Sometimes you want to just look natural and you want it to do like the no makeup look, but I want it to be cute, like a little dolly. We're gonna do some of this contour on my eyeshadow. So the same one that I used here. I have hooded eyes, by the way, so that's why I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. One of the principles that I go by is to put the darker color on the outside, lighter color on the inside. We'll just keep it on the outside edge. Blush in the contour location first, blend it out, and then go back in, and then I'll go in with my brush. So the trick here, that works for me anyway, is the circular motions so that you don't have hard lines. So I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter just to fix these like this place where the eyeshadow comes down. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape. It's like a highlighter. So I used to try and use it under my eye, but like you really don't want to use something like this as like an under eye concealer because it's too light and it's too shiny, and it actually creates that like white cast. So I do the line under my chin, or under my lip, this center line, especially around the nose, especially where there's a shadow, right? Makeup's just kind of like, for me, it's just been a game of trial and error, because what works for one person doesn't work for the other. This is basically how I do my makeup for stream. like if I'm gonna do a lot. Okay, we did all this other stuff. Now we do this line underneath. This is to like keep the cheekbone line kind of going up and the eyes lifted. For extra points too, you could come in under the eyebrow and highlight there too. So lip liner, especially because I just went in here with the highlighter. I like to bring back my lip line because a lot of it got covered up. So I use a color that's the same color as my lips, sometimes a little lighter. I used to do the opposite, and I feel like this is a makeup faux pas that I see a lot, is girls use a darker color for their lip liner because it's more dramatic. I'm guilty too, but now I use a shade lighter actually, and it's such a soft look. It's just more youthful and more like natural. So in my case, I like to go a little bit over on the upper lip. But again, it's such a light color that you can't really tell that I'm overlining it. It's just enough to give the illusion of like the tiniest bigger lips and the tiniest more upturned lips, which is what, you know, if you're getting fillers and stuff, is the appearance you're after. So you go a little bit on the outside, on the upper lip, and then the lower lip, you go on the line in the center, and then you go in the line on the sides. The flick stick, this has saved my life because liquid eyeliner is sent from hell specifically to torment me. Oh my god, my drink. Oh yeah. So these guys are great because it's literally a stamp. If you want just like the tiniest little winged eyeliner and you don't want to spend 30 minutes doing it, and then you go back in and you fill it in with the other side. Okay, now for the lip glosses. There are so many colors they sent. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm a basic ass bitch. I like a clear gloss, okay? That's this magic crystal one, it's clear. Okay, so we're doing Ready For It. Toofaced Lip Injection. I'm gonna like be very specific about putting this on the edges of my lips first and then go into the rest. I really like to get the edge, like my point is I guess that I like to get the gloss on the edge more than anything. So I like to establish where that edge is first. Oh, and I can feel the tingles starting already. So remember, this product is it's a lip gloss, but it's also a lip plumper. So it claims to actually plump your lips in the moment, but also over time. I'm just using a Sephora mascara. I'm not picky about mascaras. And then yeah, a trick with mascara is I just do mascara on the outer edges, not on the inner edges. I gave up a long time ago. In conclusion, this is my full face of Toofaced Cosmetics using their Born This Way foundation, their Cloud Crush peach blush and contour, and their Lip Injection Lip Plumping lip gloss. Does it look plumper? So thank you so much to Toofaced Cosmetics for sending me all these goodies. I really appreciate it. I'm all stocked up now. I won't need any makeup for a while. Thank you for watching my very first makeup video. I've literally never done one before. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. See ya!